morning, welcome back to my channel. So today we are flying to Israel for a destination wedding. I'm currently at the airport, and I want to bring you guys along to this trip. So let's go to a wedding in Israel. All right, let's go.
You're gone now, or you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
Is that there?
Juliet, what are you getting?
Ice cream. I think I will have the raspberry, lime, and mango. Really? Yes, thank you. Hi, my loves. How are you guys doing? So we woke up, ate. Now we're having gelato in Italian gelato joint in Israel. Look at that. You enjoying yourself?
Oh, so sweet.
My baby is having fun. So she decided not to remove her. She decided to wear the same dress she wore yesterday from Nigeria to the airport. She decided to wear it today. She refused to wear another thing today. Girl child, they will frustrate your life. But I love her. We love you, right? Hi, Adam.
Hi.
How are you?
Okay. It's not an easy task
Being
being a dad. Let me tell you something.
But you're doing the Instagram.
Being a
all,
dad.
all your body is full of ice cream, babe.
Being a dad,
Mm-hmm.
in these modern days, meaning you are a driver, security guard, cat catcher, a porter, and you always need to give your daughter your food.
Is the cat catcher for me?
And all of that, I also cook.
Hi guys, good evening. We are ready. We are going to a wedding, and yeah, it's 8 o'clock in the night. I was not expecting the wedding to be this. Where's our car, babe?
I have no idea where you this for.
Anyways, so we are ready to go to Adam's friend's wedding, and I hope you enjoyed our travel prep and all of that, and us coming to this place. So tonight we are heading out to a wedding. Are you guys waiting for me? No, let's go.
We'll find it, don't worry.
So, and this is my dress. I'll show you guys my full outfit when I get to the venue. But yeah, started sleeping with my mother-in-law. My father-in-law is gonna drop us off to the wedding. Let's go. Let's go.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders.
Good morning. I am tired. Not just tired, like I feel like I'm gonna be sick because my nose. Yeah, I don't know. So we are on our way to Eilat. So this is kind of a road trip. We are to take us at least 4 to 5 hours to get there, which is absolutely insane. And Adam is driving. Yeah, the energy is so low, the energy is so poor today. But what we are currently doing, what I'm doing is I'm editing my vlog. Yeah, I edit with my iPad, not the computer. I just edit with my iPad. I think I'm gonna have running. My nose is already running. Started sleeping. Yeah, Adam is driving.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying high.
Hi guys, we made it to Eilat. Just bringing our luggages in. Yeah, this is where we are staying. It looks so beautiful, yeah?
Babe,
Yes.
you're choosing where I'm sleeping?
Yes, so.
See how beautiful my wife is.
This place looks stunning.
Come.
Water.
Let's call my mom.
Okay.
Because it's much better they'll bring us like McDonald's.
Yeah. Ooh. God, it's hot. Like it's super hot here. The pool. Oh, this is lovely. So my loves, we are here for throughout the weekend. Today is Friday, so we're gonna be here for the Rosh Hashanah event, and we'll probably leave on Sunday. We'll leave on Sunday, so we're here for 2 nights. Star, is it not hot? It's hot, right?
I didn't ask for the sourness. I asked
It's hot? Don't you feel hot? It's hot. Shoes. Shoes. Come, let's get your sandals. Come. Wait. Let's get yours. Pop.
It's very simple. Is there like
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see.
How are you? I love his hair.
Yeah,
He's a big boy. No, I had someone. I can't do this. Is difficult to do. I had someone that does baby's hair, kids hair, do it for her. She would not allow me to do this.
No.
She won't stay. She will cry. Say hi. Say hi. So guys, I found a room outside of the entire building.
It's like at the back like this. And this is where we're going to stay. This room is bigger than all the rooms. This is like a small suite.
Yeah, no, I'm
so happy. Oh my god. Look at the bathroom. It's huge. How do you on the lights here? Look. It's huge. Huge. because we are the first to arrive, so we're able to get the best room. I checked all the rooms upstairs, and then I came down and found this. This is like a hidden gem, and everybody's now jealous that they didn't take this one. So I'm so happy. So all the family are gonna be here for this weekend. This is the first family here, which is Ariella and her kids. So we're waiting for Golan, Tali, my beautiful sister-in-law, and Dina, and my in-laws, for them to get here. It's super hot, like it's legit so hot in this place.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room.
When you know I go for one, then I start to feel a bum bum run. But she dey give me small one. I know she's
We are going out for dinner with the entire family.
La Familia.
La Familia, La Familia. And this is how it looks. Just a casual dinner. Hi, Mana.
I'm always looking the best.
Yeah, you all are looking so handsome.
Thanks.
Let's go.
Look, is you here?
Looking your best? Yes, Mama. Your dad is looking his best.
I've been down, so down, and now I'm dying. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Everyone got stories, so let's start listening.
Good morning, guys. We are awake and alive, and my voice is already starting to crack, which is not good because I'm on vacation. Well, yeah. Anyway, Adam made me breakfast this morning. Cheese toast, some fried egg, vegetables, avocado.
Cheese toast.
Oh, this is for Star, yeah?
Everything was for Star initially,
Thank you, babe.
but we can't die of hunger because of a baby. You want chocolate chip cookie?
Thank you for this. The bread here is so good. So everybody just went to the beach. We're gonna eat, get ourselves ready, and head to the beach. Yesterday the dinner was so lovely. After we finished dinner, we went out to walk. Like we went to walk on the shore.
Yeah. Did you bring your original glasses?
Yeah, I did. I'm scared of, since I forgot it in PH, I'm scared I will leave it somewhere. So I'm gonna be going with my fake sunglasses.
And when will you wear them?
In the kibbutz. At least I know all my movement is within the kibbutz, and I can come back, and if I leave it there, it's there. But if I leave it here, we're not gonna drive 5 hours to come to Eilat to take my sunglasses. Oh wow. Babe, chapeau. Cheers. This is good. Wow.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little.
Hey, but you've seen, this is what they call selfie. very important when you cross to look in the eyes of the driver to see if he's a bastard or not. So this is what you call a day at the beach.
Yes. A day in the beach with the fam.
Wake up, I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa, no, not yet, whoa, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know?
How is my beast?
She's fine.
Good for your feet. What do you want, this?
Ask how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh.
So guys, we are done from the beach. We are heading out to go eat some pizza and then go do some shopping. We need to buy gifts for all the people in the house because we didn't bring anything from with us from Nigeria. So today is actually kind of shopping for everyone, and yeah, that's the itinerary for today. Pizza, then shopping, and then heading back home.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs.
Hi guys, so we are back, showered. Did you leave Star outside?
Yes.
It's in the bathroom.
We bought also wipes.
Yeah, it's the one that we bought that is in the bathroom. See if you allow you to put her diaper on, only diaper will do. Just try to put diaper for her. If she will allow you. She opened my bag and took all my products and
ruined it.
Yeah, no, just transferred it into a different bag.
What a lovely lady.
Oh my god. So guys, we weren't able to buy a lot of stuff. Actually, my head started banging in the middle of the shopping, and Star was crying, and I'm like, you know what, let's go. So we left, but I actually got a few things. So I got this this Pixie set. So what's inside here is the toner. So my daughter just opened the pack, brought out everything inside it, and poured it in another bag. Star is a character. It's focusing, right? Yeah. And the mist, and then the lotion. I hope this is focusing. Yes. So I got this, and then I got this. See, I spent quite a few amount of money on skincare, and I don't know if it's working or not. I just, if you want to know where I spend my money on, it's probably on skincare. That's just, I have a lot of skincare. Let me just show you guys something. On this trip, we are just here for 2 days. This is another set of skincare. You see, this I got at the airport, but this one, in my defense, nobody is judging me, but in my defense, this I got, I want to keep it here, you know. So when I'm coming back, whenever I come to Israel, I don't need to bring any skincare with me. So I bought this. It's a set. Lovely, like this is amazing. I bought this at Ethiopian airport. When I'm going, I'll actually buy this because I really love it. I love it. The moisture, the hydrating is really hydrating, especially this one, this particular product. Yeah, this particular product is incredible. The moisturizing, like the way it hydrates your skin, is absolutely gorgeous. amazing. So 3 days here, I've not bought one single clothes, one single shoe, but I've bought 3 different sets of skincare products. Yeah, that's absolutely insane. So I bought skincare for my mother-in-law, or for
This is for stars, like juice, but not juice. Very nice. And they're calling me a radical, gotta go.
Anyway guys, so this is what I got for my mother-in-law, and I hope that she likes it. I read a lot about this. They are not crazy expensive. It's L'Oreal products, so the price is okay. So she can add, when if she's done with this and she likes it, she can buy them again without her feeling like she's spending too much money on skincare products. So this is what I got for her. This is for older people. This is from 50-year upward, I believe. Yeah. This is morning. This is night. Eye cream. I bought her eye cream, and I also bought her a nighttime serum. So it's like a set: serum, eye cream, and then a face wash. I watched a couple of videos on YouTube when I was searching for skincare product for adults, like for older women. And funny thing is that not a lot of company carries product for women over 40 years old, 40 to 50, 60 years old. Not a lot of company carries that, which was very interesting for me. The price range, they're saying that is really good, and I hope she likes it. What else did we buy from this small shopping? I got Star Cute sandals, and I got my sister-in-law a perfume that I really love. Let me show you what I got for Star. So I got her these cute little sandals, super cute. And then for my sister-in-law, I got her this perfume, and I love this. I have one for myself. And she got me some really lovely makeup product that I'm so surprised, because I was so shocked. I was really shocked. She got me this Too Faced eyeshadow palette that is so like, this is gorgeousness. Look at that, so cute. She also got me a bronzer from Smashbox. Yeah, this is the highlighter and a bronzer together. This I can use as eyeshadow. Sorry guys, the audio went completely off on this side of the video, and I filmed the entire night, but there was no audio. I don't know what happened. It's just so sad. But anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed it up to this point. Get ready to watch the second version of this video, and thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy, please leave a comment down below, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Again, I apologize that the unforeseen circumstances. Bye.